Guys, 2 brand new coins that just came out, one late February, one like yesterday, March 20th, 2018. Let me show them to you. Let's get started. So the first one is Lines. Let's go to the announcement page. Hi BTC Talk. We made a super easy to use and completely anonymous cryptocurrency with 0 fees and fast transactions. 0 fees. That's quite a boast. I'm not going to tell you all the details of these 2 coins. I'm going to tell you how to mine them. If you're in it, be right back. So as I was saying before my microphone decided to rebel on me, I'm going to show you how to just get started mining. It's very simple mining. It's all the same process, but it seems like people get interested in different coins and they don't know how to mine. So I'm going to show you how to mine. Although Lines is the first one I've had where there's no GUI for Windows. So this is a Windows, this is a GPU, and I can show you how to do it also with CPU. It's pretty much the same process. But with Windows, it's not. There's no GUI wallet, so you're going to have to download and open up a couple console programs. So maybe that'll help some people. Lines, I mined it for about 12 hours on the CryptoKnight pool. Both of these 2 coins are CryptoKnight, which I like because CPUs can mine them as well, and I seem to do okay with it on my NVIDIA. I mined Lines for about 12 hours and I got about 17 coins. I think I would have got over 24 hours, you know, well, 34 coins, 40 coins. That's not terrible. Although you don't, it's not currently traded on any exchanges according to their announcement page. And is the project anything new? Well, I mean, 0 fees and fast transactions. If they can do 0 fees without a Lightning network, and they just, I don't know how they're going to do that and still pay miners, but whatever. Really, it's just for fun experimentation. Let's see what's out there and blah blah blah. So, and also supposedly completely anonymous. Again, take your time, do some diligence if you want to throw some of your CPU or GPU cycles at this. See if it's something you're interested in. So they only got 4 pages right now in their announcements. The devs, as you can read, or dev, has been out there. They've given a few updates. It's not like they're completely, non-existent, and I thought it was interesting, so I threw a few cycles. Second coin is Elya. I think that's how you pronounce it. Elya coin, and it supposedly has a company already behind it. Elya. If you go to Elya.io, which right now it points to mobile operator and SIM cards for stealth communications. I don't know who you're trying to hide from, but if that's what you're into, I'm not going to get into that. So don't do bad things, and don't break the law. That's my disclaimer. But here, this gives you all the details of Elya. It's a privacy SIM card blockchain solution, and I think it looks more interesting than Lines. I'm really looking for unique things. I'll mine anything if it's new, especially Lines. Lines just opened their main net yesterday on the 20th, so the floodgates opened. I was hoping I would get more rewards than I'm getting, though. The rewards seem pretty low, which is not the case with Elya. Elya, I've been mining for about an hour now, and I've got about 100 coins already in an hour. So maybe a couple hours. I don't. When's my first? 10 o'clock. No, it's been about an hour, I think. Sheesh, that's pretty nice. So I'm pretty excited about this one. I'm gonna keep mining it. It's got a cute little ladybug. Here's their wallet. It's a nice little wallet. It's a standard wallet. You download it. It's a GUI. I'm getting distracted here. Let's get focused. Let me start with Lines. Here we go. Lines. You'll click this. It'll take you to a download. So you download their wallet. You'll put it in. It'll be a zip file. Lines Win64 117. You unzip it. Okay, you'll open it up here. Here's the two console apps that you need to open if you're interested in mining are these two. Okay, Lines D. First thing you want to open is Lines D. Lines D will create the server for you that begins communications with the network and gets you synchronized. So give it a minute or two. It's starting a node server, so it leads me to believe, I haven't really looked into it, but you probably have to have node installed on your system for this to work. Maybe not. But as you can see, just a couple quick minutes in, or a couple quick seconds into it, it says you're now synchronized with the network. You may start your simple wallet. So you'll want to open the simple wallet application now. This is the first time I've ever had one. So I'm going to say generate a new wallet file. Wallet file name, bad wallet, because I'm going to destroy you in a second. And it says you can give it a .bin. I don't care. I'm just going to say bad wallet. You'll notice over here in a minute that some of the wallets pop in, or that the wallet pops in. Not some of the wallets. The wallet will pop in here in a minute. I'm going to call it bad. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to call it, even though I'm going to delete it. Oh, boom! We just created bad wallet. You'll see bad wallet up here. Here's your wallet. You'll want to back these up, and you're going. Now, first thing you can do, if you look through here, don't panic if you don't use console apps. They're not as hard as you think they are. Just big breath. Read what it says. Use help command to see the list of available commands. I use help. Here's my commands. Address. That's what I need. So I want my public address. Right here. Here's my public address. This is what I need to use with CC Miner. I'm going to need CC Miner to run this miner, to mine this coin. And CC Miner is going to need my public password. The other stuff you can do is balance. You know, I've got a big nothing in this wallet, so I just opened it. And so one last pro tip on this. This is your wallet for now. Once you back up the wallet, you'll be able to import it with your numbers using a public wallet. You can also on CryptoKnight create a paper wallet if you'd rather do that. That's kind of nice, a wallet generator. They'll generate it for you so you don't have to do this download. Another good option. But when you go to close this, just hit save and then exit. So you save, exit, and it closes the wallet and it will shut the console app up in a second. Boom. That's the best way, and then you can shut off Lines D as well. But don't just close it. Well, this says don't just close it. Please note the blockchain will be saved only after you quit the daemon with exit command or if you save command. Probably just going to help you keep synchronized. So there's that. Okay. You'll want to get CC Miner. If you're using NVIDIA, go get the newest CC Miner, and I can give you that link. Once you've got CC Miner installed, I like x64224. You will open up the folder, of course, and you will change bat files. If you've done any mining, you've probably done this 1,000 times. This is what I use. The settings that I use is CryptoKnight. I want to do the algorithm. I've tried leaving the algorithm off, and this miner, CC Miner 224, can't get it. And then you want the address that it tells you to get. Note right here your port. You need to have the port it tells you to use based on what you're doing. If you're using a CPU miner, you'll want to use port 1 because it lowers the difficulty for you. If you're using a GPU, you'll want to use port 2, and there's a 3 if you have more heavier rigs. Right here is where you'll put that wallet password that you got from Lines, the Lines Simple wallet. You'll see right here. So 50401, 50402, 50403. This is the Lines version. You'll notice that my port was different in here because this is the address for Elya. But I'm just showing you, this looks exactly the same for Elya and for Lines. If you're going to use CryptoKnight, it's exactly the same except for the different parts, which is the mining pool address. Oh, look at that. Okay, I didn't realize it. The pool address, duh. It's a static IP probably. So let's see. Yeah, let me see. Connect. Yeah. Okay. So it's the same pool address, but just different ports for the different coins. So that's why the ports are different, because this is Elya's ports, this is Lines's ports. You'll save it as a .bat file. Save, pull down the text to all files, call it .bat, all right? And then in your folder, you'll see gears. Here's gears. I would just double click, and it's starting to go. Of course, it doesn't. It knows that my wallet password's wrong, but it's going to start chomping away, and I'm going to start mining coins. This is pretty much the exact same process for Elya. You can use the exact same miner. You'll notice here for 224, I've got Elya and lines right next to each other, and I can just double click either one of them and run either one of them. And just a quick note on this Elya project, granted there's only 4 pages, but so far the devs been pretty active with communication on the forum. I've also ran both of these on my laptops with CPU miner multi rel and some version number. I will get you a link to that app, and so it's almost exactly identical to these other ones. You know, your executable will just look different here, but the rest of this stuff will be all the same. But you want to change your port. Don't use it too. You know, with the CPU, it'll be getting its butt kicked. So, and it'll eventually auto come down, but it will take, quite a while. You'll waste a bunch of time. So like you can see here, here's your ports. This is for a low end or a CPU, a mid range or a GPU or a rig, and nice hash, which I don't have any idea what that means. So yeah, there's Elya, there's lines. Go for it, brand new guys, have fun. Lines, no, Elya, I'm kicking some major booty on. I had to shut it down for this, so I got to get off this video so I can get back to mining. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment. I appreciate your time. Thanks. Bye.